What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Advanblack YouTube channel. My name is Renzi. We got Hector here.
What's happening?
We have this beautiful 2019 Harley-Davidson Road Glide that we're transforming from the wicked red color you see to the new envious green fade.
That's right. You can find all these parts on the advanblack.com site. Our last episode we did our rear fender dominator, stretch bags, and side covers. Episode 2 we will be doing the instrument cluster, inner fairing, outer fairing, air duct, and the chin spoiler.
Man, that sounds like a lot of stuff, but I honestly think we can do it. Let's get to it, man.
Let's do it.
All right. Hey guys, welcome back in Black Parts, and it does include all the additional color matched parts. In this whole bundle kit, you are going to be receiving a bunch of things like the mid-frame air deflector, the tank dash console, the inner fairing, dominator rear fender, normal saddlebag lids, the 4.5 stretch saddlebags, stretch side cover, stretch tank cover, reveals the front wrapped fender, and then the overall fairing batwing cowl. So this kit does come with a lot of product, a lot of stuff to change out this full bike, and it does come with, I think, like 93 different color options to choose from. So check out our website. You can see them all from there, and details on the description. All these parts are painted together and to offer the perfect color match, and they are direct replacement for the stock OEM. Guaranteed to fit, as we have displayed on our website, but this setup is super sick, and we can't wait to show you guys episode 3. Now on this build, Hector did disclaim that we are going to be removing a bunch of parts, and he is doing a fantastic job at removing them and then replacing them, swapping them over from the old stuff on that wicked red color to the new envious green color. So and then also we do have the attack headlight. That attack headlight does not come with the bundle pack. It is separately, but it is a great way to shine up the night when you're riding for those night rides. Those dim OEM halogen headlights don't really do anything, so the new attack headlight would suit ride perfectly.
I'm still paying rent for this apartment house. In the past 5 years, the neighbors priced me out. Landlord raised my rent, he's grabbing every cent. I'm out here grabbing straws, looking for a place to rest. Now the rent is rising, every place I look, and every landlord that I meet is looking like a crook. They just want my money, don't care if I can eat. They don't care if I sleep out here in the naked street. This is the city life, this is the place I roam. This is the place where I reside and I just call my home. This is the city life, this is the place I roam. This is the place where I reside and I just call my own. Some dudes in neighborhoods, they're out here packing heat. They're shooting little kids by accident out in the street. They're shooting grown adults, they say it's not my fault. Cops push them in the car, lock them in the vault. Then march them off the court, get charges for the sins. The lives they took, you know they're never coming back again. Now some will feel remorse, others just shrug it off. But either way, the game they...
This is my first time seeing it when Hector had it all done, and this is my honest reaction. It doesn't get any better than this. Woo! Look at that build. Holy cow, man. Look at that color. It is coming out awesome. Man. Hector, you're doing a good job on this thing, man. What do you think?
Thank you. Looking awesome. Gonna happen today.
Woo! Well, we got a couple more pieces. This thing's gonna come out sick.
You know what he said, right?
Right? All right, guys, that wraps up episode 2. We are a lot closer and done a lot more stuff to this Road Glide. We are finished with the front fairing, inner fairing, gauge clusters, chin spoiler, rear saddlebags, side covers, and that Dominator rear fender. We are that much closer to completing this build. We just need a couple more things. I think it's coming out awesome. Hector, what do you think?
That's right, Renzi. It's looking amazing. Almost done. It's gonna happen. 2 more pieces.
Woo! Remember, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow for more. Episode 3 is coming pretty soon.